doing a giveaway. Oh yeah! Hello, and thank you for tuning into my channel. Today I teamed up with Crew Diesel to do a Christmas giveaway. We will be doing a drawing on January 1st to kick off the new year right. The winner of this drawing is going to receive a brand new set of hoses for the high pressure oil pump with fittings for the OBS 73 94 to 97. All you have to do is subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment down below. Good luck to everyone. I hope you guys have a safe and Merry Christmas.